How to download Chime app. Okay, so you want to get the Chime app on your phone. Let's do it together. First things first, you need to find your App Store or Google Play Store depending upon the model of the phone that you are using. Here mine is Android, so I'm going to use the Google Play Store. You can see my Google Play Store right over here. Tap on it. And after you are inside the Google Play Store, simply tap on search icon, which is in the middle button. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar and search for Chime. Tap on it. Now you will see a list of results. Look for the official Chime app. Should have the Chime logo, the green little abstract shape. You can see it right over here. Great. Now tap on it and go to the app page. Now you can see an install button. Tap on it and it will start downloading your app for you. The downloading time may differ depending upon the internet speed. Let's wait for a while. Once it's done, the button will change into open. Simply tap on it and the app is ready for you to use. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded the Chime app. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.